Hello beautiful people, welcome to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today we'll create 10 super easy ponytails to spice up your everyday look. If you can't make hairstyles, then this video is definitely for you. Don't forget to tell me which of these ponytails is your favorite. Let's get started. For our first hairstyle, we want to select our front section, leave them away for later, grab the rest and make a very low ponytail. Now, grabbing your front sections, you want to bring them back and tie them both together over our previous ponytail. Then you want to simply twist your ponytail like I'm showing. Then one more time, tighten it. You want to leave the ends of our Topsy tail on the sides to cover our elastic. Pull a little bit your twists and you're done. For the next, we want to select a section from the front like I'm showing. Grabbing the rest, we want to make again a low ponytail. Now we will want to smooth out our section, bring it back like so, and you want to wrap it once around our elastic. Now you want to make an opening to the opposite side, bring it through up and bring it back again and tuck it into the elastic underneath like I'm showing. Done. Next one, again you want to select a section in the front and leave it away for later. With the rest you want to make a low ponytail or any type of ponytail that you like, higher or lower, this depends of your preference. Then you want to grab your section, make sure it's nice and smooth, wrap it around the elastic several times. I like to grab my elastic underneath, so this way it's easier for me. Then you want to wrap until you are reaching the ends and tuck it into the elastic the way I'm showing up, like so. You want to tighten a bit, loosen a little bit your crown section. The next one, we want to select our front section, leave them away for later, tie your middle section, creating a low ponytail. And you want to repeat with the rest. So you want to tie 3 low ponytails. Now I want to grab one of the side ponytails and make an opening and bring your middle ponytail through it, like that. And then grabbing your second side ponytail, you want to make an opening and bring those two through it, like that. Make everything nice and smooth and ready. Now we want to select our crown section. Tie it with a clear elastic, make everything nice and smooth, make an opening and bring the ponytail through that opening. You want to tighten it and then again you want to bring your ponytail through the opening but halfway through like I'm showing, creating this loop, and then tighten from underneath like that. So this way we will create a little bubble like so. Now we want to select 2 sections from the sides, bring them back over our ends of our first ponytail, tie it over. And bring the ponytail through the opening, then tighten it. And then one more time, you want to bring the ponytail through the opening again, but halfway through, tighten it from underneath to create this bubble. Now you want to grab 2 more sections from the sides and tie them to secure everything. And our bubble ponytail is ready. Now we want to make a ponytail. You can make it higher or lower depending on your preference. Select a section of hair from the ponytail and you want to make here any type of braid that you like. I decided to make a raw braid. A raw braid basically means to twist each strand one way and then twist them around each other opposite way. So when I'm finishing my braid, I'm just wrapping it around my ponytail, and when I'm reaching the ends, I will just tuck it into the elastic underneath like I'm showing here. Done! For the next one, making everything nice and smooth, we want to make a very low ponytail like that. Then we want to make an opening and bring the ponytail through it, creating our Topsy tail. Now we want to grab a section from the ponytail and just wrap it around the elastic to cover it and tuck it into the elastic underneath, guys. Next, we want to select our front sections, making them nice and smooth. We want to bring them back and just tie them like tying your shoe. Now you want to twist it lightly and then bring them underneath, and here you want to tie these sections using a clear elastic. Don't forget to twist them up, guys. This is an amazing low loose ponytail that I like so much. For the next voluminous ponytail, we want to select our crown section. I like to leave my bangs in the front like so, and then I'll tie my crown section like that, and I'll bring it up flatter, and then grabbing the rest of my hair, I will tie a middle or a higher ponytail like that. Now you want to grab your front crown section and make an opening, creating a Topsy tail. Bring your second heavy ponytail through your Topsy tail up like that. Tighten it and you're done. For the next hairstyle, we want to make a very low ponytail, making sure everything is nice and smooth like that. Then you want to grab a section of hair from the ponytail and bring it through your elastic like I'm showing. Spread this bubble around your elastic. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's hair tutorial. If you do, don't forget to like it, subscribe. Tell me please in comments down below which of these hairstyles is actually your favorite. Check out my this previous ponytail hair tutorial for more tips and tricks. But that's it for today, guys. And I love you so much and see you soon in my next video. Mwah! Bye!